All right, y'all. Today we're cooking bacon. I have my pan preheated here on about a medium high heat. And so let's get started. Gently place the bacon in. And it's shrinking a little bit, and it'll shrink as it cooks. Move this other piece in. And we're just letting it cook. This is just some simple Applewood bacon. Turn the light on for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it one time. See, it's starting to brown. And as it cooks, sometimes I grab some of the grease and baste it. But it's kind of hard because I have the camera. And we're just letting it continue to cook. I'm going to flip it again. And that's about ready. Because as it sits, it'll continue to cook because it's still hot. Then bacon looks like it's about ready, so we'll take it out of the pan. Alright, you can see it's brown there. That's the perfect doneness for me, but I know some of y'all like it a little crispier, but it's perfect for me. So that's how you cook the bacon.